In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to complete the KYC or Know Your Customer verification process. So to complete your KYC verification process, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Kucoin account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So when you're logged into your account here, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So you can verify your account during your creation of your account or after creating your account as well. So in my case, you can see that I had not verified it during the sign up field. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on the verify account button. It's going to take you to this field where you have to go ahead and read all of these information and click on get verified. When you do that, next page you'll be asked to select the ID type. So I'm going to go with ID card. And when you've done that, click the next button. Now go ahead and provide in the information that has been asked, and then you have to go ahead and type in your ID number as well. And when you've done that, click on the next button. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you have to go ahead and take a photo of your ID. So click on take photo, and when you've done that, it's gonna ask you to allow all of these permission. Now place your ID card in a clear background and make sure to take a clear picture. And when you've done uploading it, then you should be able to get a notification stating that you've successfully completed your KYC verification process. So that is how you can complete the KYC verification process. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.